So I'm sorry, my microphone cut out on this one, so I'm recording over it. This is a website where if your the image that you found isn't to your liking, so for instance, if it is something that's cut off, like here, it's a picture of Doge, but his body isn't there, and if you don't want just a disembodied dog head, you can copy the URL for the image and go to tineye, the tineye.com, and paste it in there. If you already downloaded the image and you have the image file, you can click that button there to select the file to upload. And then you hit search. And for some reason today the website was going really slow. It's not normally nearly this slow, but I guess it gives me more time to try and do this dialogue after the fact. So what it's going to do is it's going to search its databases of billions of images from all over the web and try and find matches. So as you can see, it was able to find the original file that image was cropped from, that has the whole body of Doge, and then you can just click that link to the image and download the larger image. Another time that it's useful is if you found a picture that you really like, but it's low resolution. You can search and try and find a higher resolution version of it. So for instance, in this case, the original image, in addition to just being the head cut off, was quite low resolution, and it was able to find a higher resolution version. Another time that it's useful is when you have these montage images. If you just want an individual image out of the montage, you can, again, search for it, and it does a pretty good job of picking out the images that are in the montage. Obviously, if the montage was high enough resolution, then you could just manually, crop it out. But usually, if you've got a montage, A, it's going to be low resolution in the first place, like this one, and B, it's going to be especially lower resolution once you take out the like one bit of the image that you want. So for this example, let's say that I'm looking for the picture of the cat eating grass. You again just copy the URL, paste it, search. Again, it's going to take a while for some unknown reason. And there we go. So it's found the original image of the cat eating the grass, which is much higher resolution, much better quality, and it also was able to find the image of the grass with the little bags separate, and I didn't find the image of the grass in the bowl, but if you actually went through a bunch more images than I did, you should be able to find it. I just didn't want to take the time to search for it, since the website was being really slow and it'll take a while to load each page. So that's one way that you can find higher quality or less cropped or alternative versions of an image that you may have found that you would like to use, but you don't really want to use it in the form that you found it.